Welcome to RV and Travel Adventures. My name is Jesus Manuel Mena Garza. Today I'm doing an unboxing of a 300 amp hour 12 volt lithium battery by the folks at Lossigy. That's Lossigy. And of course this battery is made in China. They sent it to me, said, hey, can you do a review? And I said, I'll try my best. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. So I already cracked open the top, so this should be fun. So first let's take out the very substantial foam. This should make a very nice base for the battery inside the storage. Get a very nice, significant, has a lot of detail. Lossigy product manual, LiFePO 4. Again, this thing weighs 75 pounds. There's a little handle here. Comes with a very nice base. Again, this will make a perfect little, place to place your battery once you have yourself situated. Comes with two cables, battery cables, nicely manufactured, high quality. But again, what do you think? This is pretty good stuff, I think. So it comes with this. The various bolts, and of course covers. Very nice. I'll read what's outside the box. It's the 12 volt, 300 amp hour lithium iron phosphate deep cycle battery. It's by the folks at Lossigy. That's Lossigy. Nominal capacity 300 amp hours, watt hours 3,840 watt hours. Charging voltage 14.6 volts. Discharging current 200 amps max. Standard max charging 60 amps / 200 amps. Operating temperature 0 to 50 Celsius. Discharge minus 20 Celsius to 60 Celsius. And you can store this below 50% capacity, and you should recharge every 3 months or so, apparently. Apparently also, I'm going to have a link in the description. Somebody actually took one of these apart, and his version, I don't know if this version has it, but it's pouch cells as compared to cylindrical batteries are inside. So again, this unit is made in Japan, and my current batteries, I'm having a lot of good luck with them, and they're also high quality lithium iron phosphate batteries. But this is a bigger unit, and it should fit very nicely in my battery storage box. Let me measure it. I'm going to measure to this section here. So 9.5 inches. I'm going to measure from here, the widest part, to over here. That's a little over 19.5 inches, 19 and 3/4 approximately. Last but not least, let's do the height. Of course, this is without the nuts and bolts attached to your RV. This is about 9 inches, so 9 inches there. I'm at Meridian State Park, about an hour and a half south of Fort Worth, Texas. Having a great time camping here. I'm doing also my winterization, and hopefully, if the weather permits, I'm going to be installing this in my Rockwood Mini Lite 2205S travel trailer. So this should fit very nicely, snugly in the battery box up front by the tongue. We'll see. Don't forget to contact the folks at Lossigy if you have any comments, questions, or suggestions. Say, hey, can you tell me more about this unit? It is going to stay on sale for $450, which is essentially $150 per 100 amp hours. So 3 times 150 is $450. This is what this is selling for as we speak. But there's supposed to be some Chinese tariffs coming up very soon by our esteemed president coming up, Trump. He says he's going to add tariffs. So even though the price has been going down, it may just go back up. So if you want to get one of these batteries or any lithium iron phosphate battery that you like, I would recommend doing it sooner than later. You never know. He might actually do those tariffs. In all probability, he will. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this channel. I would greatly appreciate it. And don't forget to ring the bell for future notifications. And please leave your kind and friendly comments below, abajo. And also, check out my photo website dealing with my travels and RVing, RVTA.myportfolio.com. And don't forget to become a member. There's some information around the screen here somewhere where you can give me $5, $1, or just become a member. I would greatly appreciate it. And check out my Patreon page, patreon.com/JM. I'm at Meridian State Park, checking out this wonderful battery so far. We'll see how it works when we put it in. Hopefully today I'll do the install. If the weather cooperates, or tomorrow I'll do the install. Thank you very much for watching my video. Don't forget to ring the bell for future notifications. Gracias. Adios. Bye-bye.